Let me guess. You've searched for the perfect daily routine for students. Tried waking up early. Tried studying for hours. Tried copying someone else's schedule. And somehow you still feel behind. Here's the truth no one tells you. You're not bad at routines. You're just doing them in the wrong order. Today, I'll show you a simple daily routine that actually works for students, not by forcing motivation, but by resetting your mind first. Most student routines fail for one reason. They start with discipline before clarity. Wake up at 5 a.m. Study for 4 hours. No phone, no breaks. Sounds productive. Feels impossible. Because when your mind is already tired, overwhelmed, or anxious, no routine will save you. So before we talk about what to do each day, we need to fix how you start the day. Step 1. The mental reset. This matters more than waking up early. Most students wake up and immediately grab their phone. Messages, notifications, stress. Your brain goes from sleep straight into reaction mode. Instead, try this. When you wake up, don't check your phone for the first 2 minutes. Just sit up. Breathe. Let your mind wake up before the world does. This tiny pause creates control, and control is the foundation of discipline. Step 2. Decide the one thing that matters today. Not 10 tasks, not a full life plan, just one question. If I only finish one thing today, what should it be? For a student, this could be finish one assignment, review one chapter, prepare for one quiz. This removes pressure, and pressure is what kills motivation. When your brain knows the goal is clear and achievable, starting feels lighter. Now here's where most routines go wrong. They expect high energy all day. That's not realistic. Step 3. Work with your energy, not against it. You don't need to study all day. You need to study at the right times. Your best focus usually comes in short windows, not hours. Try this simple rule. Study in 30 to 45-minute blocks, then stop. Stand up, stretch, breathe. This keeps your brain fresh, and fresh brains learn faster. Consistency beats marathon sessions every time. Step 4. Make starting stupidly easy. If your routine feels heavy, you'll avoid it. So don't tell yourself, I need to study for hours. Tell yourself, I'll open my notebook. That's it. Once you start, momentum does the rest. Discipline doesn't begin with intensity, it begins with movement. Let's talk about burnout, because many students aren't lazy, they're exhausted. Step 5. Protect your evenings. If you study all day and scroll all night, your brain never recovers. You don't need a perfect night routine, just one habit. At least 30 minutes before sleep, slow down. No heavy studying, no stress. This tells your brain it's safe to rest, and better rest equals better focus tomorrow. Here's the part most people ignore. Your routine isn't just about productivity, it's about trust. Every time you do what you said you would, even something small, you rebuild confidence in yourself. That's how motivation returns, quietly. Quick recap. Pause before the phone, pick one main task, study in short, focused blocks, start smaller than you think, protect your rest. That's the real perfect routine. Not extreme, not trendy, just realistic. If you're watching this late at night, don't change everything tomorrow. Just try the reset. 2 minutes, one task, one small start. Let's improve together.